playing. With these words, a very warm and pleasant morning to respected principal sir, teachers, respected evaluators, my seniors, my batchmates, and beloved juniors. This is Gaurangi Singh of BSc Nursing 5th semester along with my group members Lata, Ayush, Karishma, and Janvi. Today we all are present here for a pediatrics model exhibition. For that, our topic is playing material for all the age groups. As playing is very useful for overall physical, intellectual, mental, emotional, and moral development. So our model is displaying the same. With all that, let's get started to cover all the age groups and starting with Lata.
So first we have newborn, the babies which ranges from the birth to 28 days. So as newborn have weak muscles, slow movement and underdeveloped muscles. So the playing materials are according to these characteristics. So the first one we have included is this tummy time. In this, the baby sits on a soft cushion along with his stomach to develop his back muscles skills, and along with these danglers which the baby tries to hold and develop his grasping skills. Next is this way structure we have shown parent interaction, because the newborn babies mostly require to hear voices of their mother, their caregivers. So this is a structure depicting the same. Next one is this soft toy which the newborn tried to hold and squeeze it to develop his hand and motor skills and grasping skills. This is also a grasping toy. Next, moving on to the infant, the babies which the age group of 1 month to 1 year. Under this we have this differs from newborn as the playing materials become more active toys, active playing toys. So the first one is this stacking toy with vibrant colors. The baby get attracted and stacks one on the another to enhance his developing skills of balancing, size, and exploring more creative colors and moving skills. Next one is soft blocks. Then this also the babies try to stack one or the soft blocks one on the other to develop his motor skills. Next is this soft ball for squeezing and holding things, and next is this sound toy for enhancing his auditory senses. Now further the toddler group will explain. Ayush.
Okay, so let's see what a toddler requires, like in a playing age. So starting from the soft toy. So soft toy and lightning toy are designed for sensory development, especially for soft toy for like grasping development, and lightning toy for visual development. Now we will move to, like we have included here, building cup. So building cup is for like development of problem solving skills of a toddler. And we have also included some racing toys. So racing toys is also required for like development of a child, like motor skills, like push and pull manner. A toddler can use it for their motor development. Now we have also included some musical toys for auditory development. And we have also included some texture books. Since the toddler are like new to the sensations, and also we have also included a texture book where a toddler can explore different type of textures. Here we include different type of textures, so a toddler can learn the sensations and texture of different type of. And we have also included some dolls, and we have also included some tent house. So by this a toddler learned the pretend play. So pretend play basically they learn the ability. By this a toddler will learn the mannerism. So that's all about the playing material of toddler. Now Karishma will explain you about the preschool
group 3 to 5 years. This age group there is a development of physical and mental development, and they are some notorious and curious. So starting from the number B, this play material is basically for learning purposes, like various numbers and for various colors. And next play material is the learning game. The learning game includes animals which he recognizes and structures of the animals and their names. Basically, it is for the cognitive development of the preschooler age group children. And next play material is the slide. Slide is basically for the gross motor balancing and confidence in the preschooler age group children. And next is the clay material. Basically, clay material promotes the improve their motor skills and their fine motor skill development and imagination to make the toys and they solve simple puzzles and for problem solving approach. And next is the kit sketchbook. Basically, it is for improve the grip and creativity and imagination of the preschooler group. They sketching the objects like simpler animals, toys, and cartoons. Now, next, the Janvi will explain you about the.
Good morning, everyone. So let's see the school. Also, it also help in the academic learning and group activity. So let's see the play material which we have made for the school age group. We made the bat ball. Bat ball help in the physical development of the child, and we also made the drum and the flute. Drum and the flute are the instruments which help in the instrument learning of the children. In this, the children express the emotions and also learn the rhythm. And for the cognitive development of the child, we made the board games like Ludo, Carom, and it's developed the cognition of the children. And so, because of our group is the school age children, so there is the base. Most important thing is the academic learning. For academic learning, we made the some science demonstration. So let's see how it's work. So in this demonstration, we made from using the cup and balloon. For this cup and balloon works on the Newton's third law of motion. And जैसे कि इसमें हम हवा भरते हैं तो हवा जब इसको छोड़ते हैं तो हवा नीचे निकलती है और बैलून ऊपर जाता है. तो for this demonstration we can tell the student for Newton's third law of motion, that is the every action has equal and opposite reaction. So this is the school age group. Further tell about the adolescent.
Now let's see for the adolescent 12 type of games like fantasy, daydreaming. They spend their leisure time in competitive sports, operating computers, electronic devices, hobbies, learning skills, etc. For that, we have included in our model musical instruments.
This was all the time. The stage is now open for questionnaire.
For that, we have included the musical instrument guitar for their social and emotional development. We have included the science projects for the creativity of the child. We have included the Gunahon Ka Devta, a novel, or we can say a book for the reading and educational purpose. We have included the board games like chess, Sudoku for the curiosity and the creativity of the child. We have included the sports games like skating, like badminton for the overall physical development, and we have included the card games for the leisure time. With that, we have now I want to conclude my topic of the model presentation. We have included the possible all the playing items in our model under the all age groups. We are so grateful for your precious concentration and time. That was all. Thank you.